Hey, Mouseketeers, we have about 9 of these Disney Doorables, these little small 2-packs that you either get 2 or 3 Disney Doorables in. They're Series 3, they're mini peek for the Disney 100 collection. So we're going to open these up and see what we get. And stay tuned for the end of the video as we'll scroll over and show you everything that we ended up getting. Thanks for watching, Mouseketeers. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of these Disney Doorables Mini Peek series collection. And stay tuned for the end of the video. I'll show you everything that we ended up unboxing. Make sure you click subscribe below. And also check the link below or the description below for a link so that you can buy your own Disney Doorables online. Thanks for watching, Mouseketeers. I'll see you real soon.